Today, I'll show you how to bid farewell to the annoying chore of manually stretching columns in Excel. Ever typed a lengthy sentence or entered data that spills over to neighboring cells, making you stretch those columns tirelessly? Like you can see on the screen, the words are extending to the next cells. Therefore needs manual stretching of the columns as shown. This is tiresome and irritating. Well, worry no more. Let's start by simplifying things. Just right-click on your Worksheet tab, head over to View Code and switch from General to Worksheet. Now, the magic moment, enter this short line of code. Cells.entercolumn.autofit. It may sound a bit technical, but trust me, it's a simple copy-paste action that will make a world of difference in your Excel experience. Now, let's picture the result. Go back to your Excel sheet, type away, and watch as the columns automatically adjust to fit your content seamlessly. No more manual dragging and stretching. It's like having a helpful Excel genie working behind the scenes. Think about the time and effort you'll save with this quick and easy automation hack. Your spreadsheets will look clean and polished without the frustration of constant adjustments. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you're ready to simplify your Excel game, and subscribe to stay updated on more straightforward tutorials. Each video brings you one step closer to becoming an Excel pro. So, embrace the power of automation, simplify your spreadsheet life, and enjoy the newfound ease of working in Excel. I'll catch you in the next tutorial packed with even more easy to understand Excel tips.